Shopify is an incredible platform for business owners who want to take advantage of online shopping. Learning how to improve SEO on Shopify so that your shop shows up in online searches is key if you want to get your business noticed. And in this video, I'll share with you 10 tips on how to sell, improve, and rank on Shopify. But before we do, aren't you tired of getting awful promo pictures of your products? Well, with Placeit you can now create beautiful apparel mockups and never run out of ideas, since you can browse over millions of styles and models in any kind of backgrounds. Simply drop your image and then download it. Get your promo picture just like that. Now, let's talk about business. Submit a sitemap to Google and Bing. Google and Bing are the most used search engines, so you want to make sure they know your site exists and can crawl it. If any issues come up as they try to crawl your website, you'll be alerted, so you can fix this right away. This may sound serious and technical, but it's actually super easy. You will first have to register your shop with Google and Bing, and once this is complete, you can move on to securing your sitemap. Get your site structure right. Imagine what would it be like for a customer to walk in and look for a specific item. Without some organization, they may struggle to find the item, get frustrated, and leave before completing a purchase. To avoid this, you'll want to create a hierarchy within your shop that makes it easy to navigate and find items quickly. Your homepage should have navigation links to category pages so that shoppers aren't left to scroll through endless products when they have something specific in mind. Simple but effective structure will help shoppers complete a purchase with fewer frustrations, but it's also crucial for your SEO. Remove duplicate content. Duplicate content can confuse search engines, leading to issues with search results. If you have the same information on two different URLs, the search engine won't know which one to link to, splitting traffic between two pages and leaving search engines confused as to which page to rank. Update your Robot.txt file. If you're not familiar with this, your Robot.txt file will tell the search engines what pages to crawl and which ones to ignore. This is super important for a shop with many pages because the volume of pages can be overwhelming for search engines and negatively impact your ranking. Find relevant keywords. To increase website traffic, you will have to get familiar with the words and phrases people use to search for the products or services that you offer. You can use tools to learn more about the keywords and phrases that are most popular around the products you sell. Make a list of relevant words and phrases. Along with that, record the search volume for each and how difficult it is to rank with a particular keyword. This will help you visualize which keywords will be the most effective on your site or blog. Create SEO-friendly URLs. Google highly recommends crafting URLs that are simple, logical, and easily understood by humans. Avoid confusing number and letter combinations and instead stick to descriptive words that makes it easy to understand what the page is about. It's also recommended that you use hyphens to separate words rather than having them jumbled together or separated by underscores. Optimize your shop's images. You may be surprised to learn that the images you use in your shop are also considered when indexing your website. Before uploading an image to Shopify, ensure that you give it a file name to help search engines understand what it is. Once it's on Shopify, the file name will be impossible to change, so don't forget to do this beforehand. Do your best to keep the file name short, descriptive, and readable. Include a keyword in the file name and avoid keyword stuffing. Alt text or alt tags are also used by search engines to understand and categorize your site's content, but they serve other purposes as well. Visually impaired users rely on screen readers for navigation. A screen reader will read the alt text provided with an image as it works through a page. Similarly, if one of your images doesn't load, the alt text will appear in its place. Include rich snippets wherever possible. You may not have heard the term rich snippet before, but chances are you've run into them while conducting a Google search. If you've ever seen a search engine result that displays more information beyond the meta title and meta description, then chances are it was a rich snippet. This can include rating stars, FAQs, calorie counts on recipes, how long a recipe takes to cook, how-to steps, or even an image of a product. Get backlinks to your shop. Backlinks are links located on other websites that send traffic to your site. Not only will this help your shop get visitors that wouldn't have otherwise found you, but they can also positively affect your ranking. When other sites link to yours, especially sites with high domain authority, search engines see this as a good faith recommendation. This tells them that the page that is being linked has reliable and high quality content. Create a business listing on Google My Business. This is great for local SEO and will help with discoverability. Once your business is registered on Google My Business, it will show up on Google Maps and help your business appear in local search results. Along with this, it can also be helpful to create listings for your business on other platforms that people use to research local businesses. If you already have a Facebook page, be sure to include your hours, location, and contact information so people can find your physical location. Create listings on sites like Yelp, Foursquare, and Angie's List, where customers can leave reviews and recommendations. These are some of the best tips out there to become a master on Shopify. To read the full post and learn how to set up Google Analytics step-by-step guide, or how to get the most out of your keywords, you can go to the description box and find the link to our blog and read some other cool stuff to improve your business. Now let me know in the comments if this video was useful for you, and help me by sharing this video with other content creators, and let me know in the comments which other topics you want me to talk about.